When it comes to achieving your business goals, planning is everything. But it's really hard to stare at a blank screen and start typing out a roadmap to success. Hey everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage. In this video, we'll go through the necessary documents and tools that you need to help grow your business. First, create a business plan. The business plan includes everything about your organization at an executive level. This includes fundamentals like your company's missions and vision, its core values, and its organizational structure. There's also competitive analysis, so you can develop an informed view of what is happening in your market, as well as tools for planning overall profit and loss, funding requirements, and other preliminary financial considerations. Even if your business is already up and running, it's a good idea to create a business plan, as it becomes a necessary tool when you're ready to scale up to the next level. And I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a lot of work. Luckily, Venngage provides a wide array of business plan templates for all kinds. These templates include the necessary segments that you might be looking for. The best part is, its online template editor lets you customize templates easily in just a few minutes. Second, create a buyer persona. Now, because your business plan is all-encompassing, creating it can include generating secondary documents that become part of your overall business planning system. One of those documents is your buyer persona. A buyer persona is defined as semi-fictional representations of your ideal customer based on market research and real data about your existing customers. That data can include customer demographics like age, income, location, and gender identity. You can also include biographical information like behavior, goals, and challenges, personality traits, and preferred modes of communication. Imagine a clothing brand that offers a range of trendy, urban-inspired fashion for young adults. To optimize their marketing strategy, they create a buyer persona named Young Professional Jake. This persona depicts the personality of their ideal customer. Now, the brand markets its clothing collection to suit Jake's demographics, psychographics, lifestyle, interests, and habits. Third, creating a marketing plan. The next actionable document that can drive your business in the direction you want it to go is a marketing plan. A marketing plan is the best path we have found to take you from the big picture ideas through strategic ideation and eventually executable tasks. Overall, the objective of a marketing plan is to guide the development and implementation of marketing strategies that drive customer acquisition, retention, and revenue growth, ultimately contributing to the overall success of the business. Fourth, create a customer journey. Your customer journeys are support documents that help contextualize how your activities help move the customer through various milestones. This can be applied to building out your fixed processes like the sales funnel on your website or the customer service experience. It can also apply directly to your sales and marketing initiatives. Creating a document like a customer journey map becomes tricky at times. If that's the case with you, try using Vengage's journey map templates, which are easy to customize and can be downloaded in any format you like. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope that you've learned something useful. Make sure to follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next video.